Hello, listeners. Welcome to another episode of Taste and Tales. I'm your host Anushka, and today we are diving into a topic we all care about: how to eat right without losing the joy of food. Let's get started. You've probably heard that food is all about balance. Carbs, fats, and proteins are the big three, the main ingredients of your diet. But how much do we really need? And where should we get them from? Carbs. These are your body's main source of energy. Not all carbs are created equal. Simple carbs are found in fruits, milk, or added sugars. Complex carbs are found in whole grains, brown rice, and millets. They are the better choice. Here's a pro tip. Carbs should make up about 45 to 65% of your calorie intake, but go for the complex ones for sustained energy. Fats. Fats get a bad rep, but the simple ones, the right ones, are crucial. Good fat found in nuts, seeds, fatty fish, olive oil, and avocado. Bad fats are trans fats and minimize saturated fats found in red meat and processed foods. Did you know reusing oil for deep frying makes it toxic? Rotate oils like coconut, mustard, and groundnut for safe cooking. Proteins. Think of proteins as the building blocks of your body. What are the sources? Animal products like meat and eggs are complete proteins. Plant-based options like lentils are incomplete, but pairing them with grains can fill the gaps. Aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Now let's talk specifics. Should we eat rice or switch to millets? Rice lovers, listen up. If you must eat white rice, refrigerate and reheat it. This turns some starch into resistant starch, which slows down glucose absorption. Or try millets like bajra, ragi, or jowar. They are nutrient-dense but calorie-heavy, so eat them mindfully. Barley and buckwheat are other great options with low glycemic indexes that keep blood sugar in check. Vegetables. Nutritionists say eat your veggies. So, do you have any top picks? Carrots, packed with vitamin A. Spinach, high in vitamin K and linked to lower cancer risks. Broccoli and kale, loaded with vitamins and antioxidants to fight inflammation. Aim for 5 portions of colorful veggies daily for maximum benefits. Now, let's sweeten things up. Fruits and desserts often sit at opposite ends of the health spectrum, but there's a middle ground. For fruits, some of the best choices would be cherries, which helps improve insulin secretion. Avocado, low in sugar, high in healthy fats. Apples, great for controlling hunger pangs. Remember, fruits are healthy but contain natural sugars, so moderation is the key. Desserts, low GI Indian sweets like steamed modaks or sandesh are better for diabetics. Avoid calorie bombs like gulab jamun or jalebi, which pack a punch of sugar and fat. Did you know some foods sneak in unhealthy amounts of salts and fats? Hidden salt sources would be salad dressings, bread, pickles, and even tinned soups. Oil choices matters. Oils like olive oil, rice bran, and flaxseed blends are healthier options. Pro tip: don't let your oil go beyond its smoke point during cooking. It releases harmful chemicals. So, what's the takeaway? Let's break it down. Balance your plate. Include a mix of carbs, proteins, and healthy fats. Choose smartly and opt for complex carbs like millets, good fats like olive oil, and colorful veggies. Practice moderation. Enjoy treats mindfully and keep portion sizes in check. Eating right doesn't have to be overwhelming. Remember, food is fuel, but it's also joy. Make informed choices and savor every bit. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found today's episode helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe to Cool Radio. Until next time, keep feasting.